Hello boys and girls, welcome to Carmen's storytelling time. Today, I'm going to present a story about Peep Inside the Zoo, illustrated by Simona, Dimitri. Peep inside the zoo to see what all the animals are up to. The seals are swimming and splashing around. The lion's nosing until his cubs wake him up to play. Can you guess who lives in here? Oh, it's Giraffe. They are the tallest animals. Even a baby is much taller than you. One has spotted a juicy leaf. She will use her long tongue to pull it from the tree. Elephants love water. At the zoo, they have a shower every day. An elephant nose is called a trunk. It can use it to suck up water and to squirt it out again. Who's been munching on this leaf? Let's see. Ooh, it's Fuzzy Caterpillar. A caterpillar makes a little case called a chrysalis. It curls inside and turns into a butterfly. This butterfly folds its pretty wings to rest in the shade. Open them to see how it looks when it's fluttered away. Penguins shuffle when they walk. They are birds that cannot fly, but when they dive into the water, splash, and flaps their wings like flippers. They are super speedy swimmers. Who's swinging around behind these tires? Oh, monkeys! Their tails help them balance as they swing and climb. Gorillas have a long, strong arms. What's this one hiding in hers? A gorilla's foot is like a hand with a big toe that works just like a thumb. Squawk, squawk. Parrots live in a group called a flock. They call to each other to make sure their flock stays together. Crack! Who's making that noise? A hungry parrot! It's using its strong beak to crack open a tasty nut. At night, when the visitors are gone, most of the animals go to sleep, but one of them is still awake. Open the door quietly to see who's sleeping in here. Shh! Don't wake them. Sleep tight, elephants.